Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video I'm going to review the final mastery check and everything that you need to do for that. So this one's going to be just like the last one where it's a dialogue between you and another person in class. So there's no practice packet for this one because the practice is you and your partner composing a dialogue, and that dialogue has to have the following criteria. It has to be with a person in class with all the information that you've learned from me. So translators are strictly forbidden. They are a form of cheating, so they're not usable. It's very easy for me to tell when you've used a translator, and when I hear those things that I hear from translators, I'm going to stop and then tell you to try again. Okay, so make sure that you're using the stuff that I have taught you here in these lessons. Okay. When you're ready for the mastery check, and you and your partner have put together a dialogue for the two of you, then you can come back to the table with me there, and you will not be able to use any help. You won't be able to read off of anything. It's just you and your partner speaking back and forth, okay? The prompt that I want you to consider is that you are shopping for school supplies and the salesperson is helping you. So one person will be the student who is shopping and one person will be the salesperson. Everybody has an equal number of lines, so let's go through what I'm expecting to hear from both of you. Number one, I want you to greet each other. And yes, everything needs to be different. You guys can't copy each other's lines. The salesperson will ask how they can help. The customer will answer with at least two items that they're looking for. The salesperson will then ask them what else, I should say, what else the customer needs. And then the customer will ask how much those items that they've chosen are going to cost. The salesperson will then answer using the currency that is euros, because marks are outdated. And the customer will comment about the cost, meaning like you will say, oh, that's much too expensive, or oh, that's really cheap. Maybe I should find something that's a little bit more price worthy instead of too cheap. And then you guys will say goodbye to each other, okay? Please make sure you are using the verbs brauchen and kosten. Both students need to be using this in their speech, and make sure that we are conjugating it correctly, all right? That is the short conversation between a student and a salesperson regarding school supplies that you will need to be able to do by the time the unit is done. All right. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to send me an email or come up and ask at the bean table if you see that I'm free. All right. Auf Wiedersehen und viel Glück.